My recent experience rescuing my Neo using a borrowed Mini 2, see the video here, led me to wonder whether a Neo could rescue another Neo. The Mini 2 gave a propeller speed warning when it was lifting the Neo, but otherwise seemed to cope just fine. If I only had another Neo to rescue a stranded Neo, would it be able to lift its twin brother? I was determined to find out. I set up the experiment with a water bottle, some fishing line and some kitchen scales. The empty water bottle weighs 15 grams. The first thing I wanted to do was check the lifting capacity of the Neo. If it can't lift 135 grams, then there's my answer right there. So I filled the water bottle, giving a weight of 620 grams, which I'm definitely not expecting the Neo to lift. I set the scales to 0 and made the poor Neo try its hardest at this impossible task. How large a negative number can it produce by flying hard up? Let's find out. It's very intermittent, but the maximum thrust figure I see here is 189 grams. So it's at least possible that another Neo could be lifted. Let's try to reproduce that by filling the bottle with enough water to make exactly 135 grams and trying to lift that. What happens? Okay, so it can lift 135 grams, even if it's not possible to maintain stable flight. Is it possible to steer the Neo to get it off the roof? Let's find out. In summary then, yes, you probably can rescue a Neo using another Neo. Would I give it a go if I had no alternative? Possibly. Is it a good idea? Probably not. You're definitely pushing the poor thing well beyond its design limits. Control is very suspect and damage is possible. You could easily lose both drones. The usual disclaimer applies. Don't try this at home. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to see me do more stupid things with my Neo or just more picturesque footage of Western Australia, please throw me a crumb of encouragement by subscribing. Until next time, happy droning!